In front of me is Motorola Moto G77 and today I would like to show you how you can rename it. Firstly, go into settings and then scroll all the way down. This way you can access this section called About Phone. Now click on device name right next to storage and type in whatever you wish to, like Sunny. Then hit OK in the pop-up and confirm your choice in the second one, this time about visibility. So when I do that, as you can see, name of my Motorola has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!